G'day, Keithy here. Thanks for joining me.
Alright.
So we've got a bit of a convoy ahead of us today. So you can see right over there. We've got Donnie here. Over there we've got Liam. And up front is Darren. And here's Darren now.
Hey guys.
Darren's our trip leader for today. So we're going up the Forest Road. It's going to be pretty gnarly so far. We've just had dirt road. We've had the tyres up, but we've just let them down. Things are about to get interesting. So we're down. I'm down at 16 pounds in the old Rangy. And the other guys have let their tyres down a fair bit. So it should be lots of fun. Come along for the ride. Don't forget, you check out Chilling with Keithy on the Instagram. You know the deal. You can catch up with me there, see the stuff in between these videos. Let's go for a drive. Pull your handbrake on nice and tight while you drive, mate. Get a bit of rear locker out of it.
Well, thank you. Think of that.
Creek, and it seems to be a little bit of depth. Very interesting. And just sneaking back nice and gently. Got him out nicely there. Driver side. Good work, mate. Good drive. straighten him up. Yep. Very good. Nice.
Up in there. What's going on? Fogging up.
Good work, mate. Walked it in. What do you reckon, mate? You want to tell the people what's happened?
IFS life, mate.
IFS life. Unfortunately, this track you can see here is not too good. It's very slippery, and you don't really see it here, but it's quite steep as well. Looks like Liam's done a CV. That's all right. It was a good slog getting in here, eh, mate?
You have to get to the top.
Yeah, that's it. We've done all right. We've done about 25, nearly 30 Ks of this. Alrighty, so we got the Hilux with a CV's out on the driver's side. We're just going to pull him gently up. Done well. Done well. So as you see there, unfortunately, that Hilux is down to one CV in the front, so he's had a bit of trouble getting up these obstacles here. This one's pretty hard. As you can see, Darren's about to have a go at it. We'll watch Darren and get a little bit of footage. Nicely driven, mate. All right, so we've done a bit of a shuffle now, and we got Rod's cruiser back there. He's going to be towing Liam's Hilux through some of the harder stuff, because he's really in two-wheel drive. So you can see the type of country we're in here: slippery, rainforesty, muddy, and unfortunately, yeah, with Liam's Hilux up there compromised, he's had a bit of trouble pretty much as soon as we get towards any of the obstacles. So I think we're just going to keep a strap on him all the time, just to make sure that he definitely gets up some of the stuff. You can see here we got a pipe that's all washed out here, and it's quite a washout, so even something like that might well be enough to pull him up. Otherwise, once you get past it, there's some good areas, but yeah, definitely some stuff that you slip into, and it is very slippery stuff. He's driving now. Good work,
Whoa!
mate.
Whoa!
You reckon I'll be able to reach that?
Yeah.
he's going to take the drone up a little corner.
Oh, well. Yeah, I could probably grab that from the front yard.
It's got me bits.
Got me awning too, the mongrel. Oh, it's so good, isn't
Move
it?
away while it's pulling on. You don't want to.
Alright, so that's the Forest Road trip. We got a drone up in the air there. It's probably a bit too bright to show you guys. Carnage, got a bit of the tree on the old Range Rover. We had the, Liam's Hilux there has done a CV, so he come back and we had to put him on a strap, basically most of that as you saw. And Darren said he might have a fuel leak in his 60 series, so he's going to have to check up on that. But all in all, really good day. It's about 3:30 now and we left at 7:30 this morning, so it's been a very big day. Time to get home and have a well-earned cold beer and clean all the mud off this old girl. She's surprisingly dirty right now. I'll just wave away from Liam. So what do you reckon about the trip, mate?
Loved it.
Good
Loved
trip,
it.
eh? Some
Great
good forward driving.
Awesome that we got up here and had a look around, and yeah, it's a shame we couldn't get all the way to the top.
Yeah.
But
Got the team together, which is good.
Sorry.
Everybody worked as a team.
Yep.
That was pretty good.
Minor mishap with one certain Hilux, but
We won't talk about that.
That's going to be rectified.
Yeah. Alrighty, we'll go and see what everyone else thought. So what did you guys think of the Forestry Road? How was it?
I think, except for, you know, dangerous hill from the old coach road, it was right up there.
It did
It
good,
was
eh?
Right up there.
Yeah.
It was. There's a couple of scary bits in there, but that was enjoyable. Lovely.
That's good, eh? Plenty of mud on the tyres and
Oh, lots of dirt.
yeah, everyone had a bit of a go. A little bit of carnage on the old Rangy. I'll have to fix that up. Otherwise, we did well. We got all the cars out. Oh, the Amarok's got damaged. The mirror folded. Oh, yeah, there's a bit of a cut there.
Oh, it has.
That's not good.
Oh.
I'll have to fix that one.
Wow.
I'll fix that one.
We'll go and have a look at these other vehicles and see how they all fared. It was a rough track. I don't think you can sort of get the gist of how rough it is. We went through some creeks. So this is the CV in here that's busted in the Hilux, unfortunately. So we did have him on a strap for most of the trip back out. Fairly dirty still too. Look at this beast. Darren's 60. Actually, it's very nice. I love those KM3s. Good work. Check out the canopy on it. So he had a bit of fun up at the Old Coach Road in Maytown just a couple of weeks ago. But this thing is a pure beast. He led the way on the way up there. Unfortunately, we couldn't get him around and lead the way back because it was too tight to get vehicles past other vehicles. But did very well. I love these lights on the back of this thing too. Check that out. And everyone got through really good. A lot of trees everywhere. I just pulled that tree off the roof of the Range Rover. All in all, a really good day. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. Don't forget to check out the social media and stick around for the next video.